بسم الله الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. السلام عليكم. Read Al-Quran the easy way. Lesson number 15C on rules of Ra. Ra Sakina is recited thick if it is followed by the awesome letters Qaf, Kha, Ghain, Sad, Dad, Ta, and La, even if there is Kasra on the letter before it. So over here in Bil Mirsad, this Ra before it is Kasra, but we will recite it thick because after it is an awesome letter, and since the awesome letter is dominant, we will recite it thick. Bil Mirsad, Bil Mirsad, بالمرصاد قرطاس 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 فرقة فرقة فرقة. If soft ya is followed by Ra Sakina, then Ra is recited thin. In Khayr, remember, because soft ya was just ya sakina with fatha before it. But we still have to recite Ra thin because soft ya is preceding it. Khayr, khayr, khayr. Tayr, tayr, tayr. Ghayr, ghayr, ghayr. So, in this lesson, we learned two more rules, the awesome letter rule and the soft ya rule. So in the awesome letter rule, the Ra had to be thick. And in the soft ya rule, the Ra had to be thin. So please watch these lessons over and over so that you can be excellent in Ra and memorize all of the rules and recite the Quran beautifully. And that's it. We're done for the lesson. May Allah help us to recite, understand, implement, and propagate this Quran. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.